extraordinary event and conference. It is great to be able to share ideas and meet new acquaintances.
There are also some really good debates, whether they are the sidebar conversations over coffee or they are the plenum debates here, where I think you find good, genuine discussions going on. Africa has to grow as well, and it cannot be left behind.
It's a great place to learn about what is happening in the industry, make new contacts.
Africa, over the last 25 years, has always been at the core of the oil and gas business for Natixis. So there is clearly a strategy to continue to do so and to be one of the few banks who is really committed to oil and gas and Africa in the coming years.
Consistently, we've seen that you've had the perfect mix of oil companies, investors, power companies, banks, lawyers, and government authorities.
Africa Assembly provides a veritable platform that creates opportunity for networking. It also creates a platform where people share experiences. And through sharing of experiences, through understanding patterns and trends that we are seeing in the industry, it enables us to reshape our strategy and be able to always be ahead of the game.
We've been a sponsor for quite a while, and it's an easy one because you come here and you meet so many people at the same time.